Hi, this is Dave the Tech Guy. Today I'm going to show you how when you combine videos, there's a transition between the videos. I'm going to show you the various ways you can change the transition. It's interesting, and you'll see what I mean when as I do it. So let's start to combine two videos, and then we'll work on the transitions between the two videos. So first of all, to combine two videos to review, what we do is we find the app iMovie or download it through the App Store if it's not already on your phone. In the lower right-hand corner, that icon, that's the iMovie icon. That's what you're looking for. So let's touch on that. Okay, now it says Start New Project and gives us the option of doing a magic movie, a storyboard, or a movie. So we're going to touch on movie. So touch movie. Now what it does is it's looking for what movies you want to include. So we're going to go, I'm going to swipe up because I'm looking for some older movies. Now that I've found them, I'm going to touch on them. And when I touch them, you'll see there's a blue arrow. See, now there's a blue arrow on the first one I touched. And now there's going to be a blue arrow on the second one that I touched. Now these are the two videos that I want to combine. So down the bottom, I'm going to click on Create Movie. Okay, so touch Create Movie. iMovie is already done making the movie. Now let's watch the movie. To watch the movie, we press on the play button in the middle of the screen. So touch play. Okay, so this is the first movie. Each of these movies are just, they're of a particular river. Now here it comes. There's the transition. Okay, it's done doing the transition. Let's hit pause. Now we can swipe right on the video and move it. Okay. So this is where the two videos connect. Okay, it's called a transition. Now what we can do is we can actually touch the transition. Let me show you where that is. Okay, there it is. It's now highlighted in yellow. Okay, and you'll see down the bottom, it now has shown us 6 options: none, theme, dissolve, slide, wipe, and fade. And you'll notice that dissolve is already selected. So if you don't change anything and you just combine two videos, it automatically does dissolve, which is a nice effect. But this video is about doing different transitions from one video to the next. So let's select slide, okay? So touch slide. Okay, you can see that slide is now highlighted in blue. And if you look up to where the transition is highlighted in yellow, you'll see the icon inside the yellow square has actually changed. All right, so let's watch this transition. Now we got to swipe right on the timeline. See me? Swipe right. You touch and then swipe right. And now we're going to hit the play button. See, it's a different transition. See, it's called slide because the second video slides in from the left. All right, let's go back to the transition and change it again. So on the timeline, which is the video in the bottom section of the screen, swipe right, touch and swipe right, touch and swipe right, touch and swipe right, touch and swipe right. Okay, we found the transition again. Okay. Now what I'm referring to as the timeline is the bottom section of the video. Up top is where it shows you what the video looks like. Down the bottom, that's called the timeline. Okay, now the transition is the transition from the first video to the second video. So select the transition again. Okay, when we select it, it turns yellow. See? I've selected it by touching it, and it turns yellow. We currently, down the bottom, it tells you what the transition is. We selected slide, and we watched that. Now let's look at a similar one, which is the one called wipe. So touch wipe. Okay, now touch the slide, the timeline, and swipe to the right. Okay. And now hit play. Hit the play button. See, it's a different transition. And this is all about preferences. Which one do you like better? You know, if you combine multiple movies, you can do different transitions. So let's get back to the transition again. So touch the timeline, swipe right, touch the timeline. Oops, didn't mean to do that. Touch the timeline and swipe right. And now touch the transition. When you touch it, it turns yellow. So that transition was called wipe. You can see it highlighted at the bottom of the screen. Now touch fade. This is a different transition, and we get to watch it. So we selected fade. You'll notice in the timeline, it has changed the icon again. See, it changed it to the fade icon. Now let's press play, and we can watch this transition. See, it fades out, and then it comes back. Personally, I like fade. I think it's an interesting transition. And let's let this finish. All right. Now, we watched the video in the upper area. The lower area is where we have the timeline. So touch the timeline and swipe to the right. Touch the timeline and swipe to the right. Touch the timeline and swipe to the right. And touch the timeline and swipe to the right again. Oops. Touch the timeline and swipe to the left so we can touch the transition. All right. So again, the transition is that little box in between the two videos. We just need to touch it. It highlights in yellow, and down the bottom it highlights in blue what the transition is. Okay? So let's change it to none. So touch none. Okay, so I've touched none. You can see it's selected at the bottom of the screen. Now we just need to touch play. So touch play. You see how it was no transition? It just went from one to the next. That's not very interesting, is it? You know, that's the reason that if you don't choose a transition, it chooses dissolve because it's a much better transition. So let's touch the timeline. Oops, don't do that. Touch the timeline, swipe to the right. And once you can see the transition, touch the transition. When you touch the transition, it it highlights in yellow. And down the bottom, it highlights in blue what the transition is. Now we've done all the transitions except for the one called theme. So let's do theme. All right, so touch theme. All right. Touch the video in the timeline and swipe to the right. And now let's touch play so we can watch the transition again. Not very interesting. It just kind of, faded to black and then came back. Now that we've seen all the transitions available to you in iMovie, it's time to choose one. What should we choose? Let's touch the timeline. Remember, that's the area in the lower area where you can see the video. So in that lower area called the timeline, touch and swipe to the right, touch and swipe to the right, touch and swipe to the right, touch and swipe to the right. Now we can see the transition between the two videos, so let's highlight it by touching the transition. It's highlighted in yellow now, and we selected themes, so it's highlighted in blue down the bottom. There's one other thing that iMovie lets you do, which is to determine the length of time that the transition takes. Below where it lists the transitions, there is actually a time. Right now, you can see that the time is 0.5 seconds. Okay, see that? All right, we could touch on 1 second or 1.5 seconds or 2 seconds. Let's touch on 2 seconds. And now touch the timeline and swipe to the right. And now hit, now that we've done that, touch play. Okay, so touch play. See how slow that was? We slowed it down by doing the same transition, but we selected 2 seconds instead of what's automatically selected, which is 0.5 seconds. So not only can you select different transitions, you can select the amount of time the transition takes. Now let's go back to the transition. So to do so, we have to again touch the timeline and swipe to the right. Touch the timeline, swipe to the right. Touch the timeline, swipe to the right. Touch the timeline, swipe to the right again. Okay, we can see the transition again. So let's touch the transition. It's now highlighted in yellow again. Down the bottom, you can see that theme is highlighted in blue. And below that, you can see that 2 seconds is highlighted. Okay, let's switch it back to where it was before. So touch 0.5 seconds. Okay. And now that we've seen all the transitions, it's time to choose one. I choose slide. I like slide. So let's touch slide. Okay. All right. Now let's touch play so that we can see slide again. Kind of cool. It slides right across. It has a good name, a name that makes it obvious as to what it is, right? Okay, now let's just let the rest of the video play. All right. Now we're done tinkering with the transition. We've had some fun looking at the different transitions, and we've chosen one. Okay, so now we are done. So in the upper left, hit done. Okay. Now, at the bottom of the screen, we want to touch the share icons. So touch the share icon. It now gives us the opportunity to save or share a video or to export the video. We want to save, so touch save. Now it gives you the option along the top to send the video to any of those people. But what we actually want to do is just save it. So swipe up and touch, now that we can see save video, touch save video. Now it says exporting movie. There's a little line moving across the screen. That's the progress. And now it tells you what it did. The movie was exported to your photo library. So that means you can find it in Photos. So click OK now that it's done. And now we just need to go back to where all the apps are. On my phone, that means I press the home button. On your phone, that probably means you swipe from the bottom to the top of the screen, because yours is newer than mine. Now we need to find that video. To find the video that we made, we need to look around for the Photos app. So I'm going to swipe right. And on my phone, the Photos app is down the bottom. So this is the app we're looking for, Photos. Okay. Now the very last thing is a video that's 30 seconds. You can see it here in the lower right-hand corner. And so if you touch on it, this video should look familiar because it's the same video. And it has the transition that we put in there, which was the slide transition. That should be coming up soon. There it is. That's the slide transition. Now at this point, you can show this video to people, or you can send this video to people using, for instance, the share icon that's down the left in the left-hand corner. Okay? So this is how you combine videos and then decide on a transition between the two videos. You know, I hope you find this fun, and I hope you find this interesting, because I do. This has been Dave the Tech Guy. If you like this video, please like, comment, and share. And if you find my videos useful in general, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell for notifications so you can you'll be notified when I come up with new videos. This has been Dave the Tech Guy. Until next time.